Hi, friends. For this week, our reading, we're going to be reading a book called Wake Up. And before we do that, I wanted to just go over a few things that we're going to be seeing in our book. So this is our vowel pattern for this week. It is A, consonant E. And the E makes the A say its own name. So when we see that magic E on the end, we know that the A is going to say the long A sound, A. The other thing I wanted to show you is the sight words that we're going to see. So we have H-E-L-P, help. And the other new sight word is T-O-O, two. Okay, guys, so here's our story. It's starting on the right side, which is a little weird, but go ahead and put your finger under the title where it says Wake up here in red. Okay, so we see the A, consonant E, and so we know that that A is going to say its name, and it says wake, wake up. Okay, now we're going to turn the page. All right, so put your finger under the first word right over here, and we're going to read together. Wake up, wake up. Jane and Kate add a app. Jane and Kate had a nap. Jane and Kate gaze up. Can they run in the sun? It is not safe. It is not safe. Okay, other side, put your finger under the first word. 8 can dig in. Jane can help. I see our sight word here in yellow. Jane can help 8 dig in. They can make a safe cave. Okay, put your finger under the first word here. Jane and 8 wake up 8. The sun is not up yet. 8 and Jane can gaze up. Okay, other side. Jane can see a big tan box. Kate can see it too. There's our other sight word there in yellow, too. And Jane make a fun game. Okay, now we're going to turn the page. And this is the last page. Put your finger under this word here. Let's sound it out. Yes. Jane can hop up on it. on it ate. Jane made up a fun game. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the beginning of the book, and it's going to be your turn. You're going to try reading it all by yourself, and I'll just turn the pages. Okay, so now it's your turn. Put your finger under the first word over here where it says wake, wake, and give it a try. I'm not going to read with you. You try it. Okay, I'm going to turn the page now. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. All right, good job, friends. So you're going to use this reader each day for your daily reading and try to find some books at home to read as well, too. Bye. Miss you guys.